Alright, here's my first step. I've taken my plate from my Elegoo Saturn III, and my first step is I'm going to put it into a solution of water and mean green, or lean green. I think it's mean green, because I'm using water soluble resin. I'll put a link down below what it is. It's not going to be an affiliate link. And I'm going to rinse this off a few times. Swish it around, and then this next bit's a bit awkward, but we're going to go into the bathroom. I'm going to clip this. Now we take and we put the platter under some warm water, and this is going to help the figures pop off the tray. Just swish it around a bit. Remember, I've already cleaned this once from the basic resin. So let's see how these start popping off. Not bad. These would be a lot harder if I had not put it in warm water for just a minute. And that's just warm tap water too. This is a selection of 28mm Medberry Medieval Troops for an online client of mine. And there we have it. Now you can see they're all off of there. So we're going to stop this for a minute. Okay, once all the troops are off the plate, I give it a good wipe down real quick. And then I'll put it back in the Elegoo in just a minute. Now we're going to move over here, and we're going to cover up the water and lean green solution. Here are our figures right here. I've got my Elegoo washer right here. I've got it set up for swishing, and we're going to make this 6 minutes. Then I'm going to put all these troops into a pickle jar. That's what it's called. Jar, if you can see it. Yep. And that'll go into my cleaner, set for 6 minutes. And there she goes. And through the benefit of time lapse, we're going to stop. Okay, so I've come back into the lab. I've taken all the miniatures that were sitting on here and I put them into a pickle jar. I'm going to pop that into my Elegoo cleaner right there, and I'm going to set this for 6 minutes and let it go, and it's going to spin around, and through the secret of time lapse, we're all done. Once that's done, I take it out and I drop it into my dirty wash. First of all, this is IPA dirty wash. After that, I have no idea what this does, but when I put it back into water, it seems to get off a cloud. Can you see that? A little cloud right there. Or it gives off a little more cloud. Take it out of the wash, put it into my clean IPA, give that a couple of good swishes. Get my paper towel ready, a couple of good swishes, like that. One more time. Drain it. Remember, this is my clean IPA, and I just spread it out on here on the cookie tray, and I'm going to let them dry on the towel for a minute or two, and we'll proceed to the next step. Hello, here we are on our next step of cleaning. We're now going to cure our miniatures. The way I do this is I take a batch. Here's a batch of AWI 28mm light cavalry. I'm going to put them in a plastic bin like this. Make sure you can see this a little better. Fill it up with cold water. That's good. In the meantime, I'll reach over, grab another tray. These are 28mm medievals. These are the ones you saw me clean in an earlier video. They've sat for about an hour, which let them dry out roughly. Here we go. Fill this up with cold water. Then I'm going to put both trays on a cookie tray. I ate the cookies already, sorry. Here we go, cold water again. Cookie tray right there. Now here's the cool thing. A lot of people don't do this, but I set these out in the sun. But wait, there's no sun today. It's raining. But did you know, I'm sure you did know, that even though it's raining and cloudy, there's still ultraviolet light. So I will be back in an hour, and these will be completely cured.